AP Lab 1, Day 1 of Simple Harmonic Motion. Use 3 masses with an equal length string on one lab station, actually on the other side of the room. A second lab station with the springs on the opposite side of the room, and split the class in half and had them go back and forth between the two as groups, and trying to find the patterns. They could use the equation sheet to see if they can find the patterns and what the patterns are going to be. And so they basically just were supposed to not have a lot of information, but be able to see what's going on with the period. Before we went, I talked a little bit about period by doing the demo of the spinning mass over my head and having them count the period, or at least estimate the period, and then see what things change the period. Then I have 2 equal springs, and talking about how these are the same mass, and the period is pretty much the same. Those springs are not exactly equal spring constant, but then comparing them to the period, these, and just trying to get them to formulate their own ideas. And one group came up with quite a bit. Basically everything there is to know, besides some weird stuff they also added there for fun. And the other group came up with just the basics. Ooh, geez. And that was the basics they put on theirs. So yeah, they got the idea, and it was a little bit different than doing the traditional lab activity.